Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is painting apples. Those of you who are still life painters will surely know for a fact that apples are one of the best props in still life painting. All the tones happening, the shape, the contrast, all these things can be found in painting apples, and they are an absolute joy to paint. And I will be exploring these visual elements and effects in this demo. And as you can see, I'm placing a base tone just to suggest the light side and the shadow side of the apple. All the necessary details about the painting materials I'm using, you can check that out in the description box below. And I suggest that you watch the full video so that you won't miss out on some of the crucial aspects in the painting process. Okay, now I'm placing some black and white tone for the background area. This will hopefully help in maintaining stability in the composition, because gray happens to be a neutral color, and this means that it works very well alongside other colors. Okay, and now I'm adding a little more black into the mixture just to create some interest. I don't want the background to look just flat. Now at this point I'm exploring some medium looking tones. I'm not at all thinking about the light or the darker ones, which will come later. It's just the medium values, because these are very helpful to me in visualizing the end result, and doing so I think we will end up with a good painting, that is to visualize the end result. You can notice that I'm placing few more tones in the shadow area. It's because whenever we paint a single object, whether it be an apple or a vase, whatever it is best to explore more tonal values and more color, because this will add in to the visual poetry that needs to happen in a still life. Okay friends, so far I have been exploring some medium looking tonal values. Now I move on to the next step, that is exploring color. As you can tell, I am using some thick color consistency. All the reds, yellows and greens that need to be happening, I place them with some bold brushwork. And too much dabbing in, it won't make colors look good, so it's best that we make use of some bigger brushes and thick color. Those of you who are new to still life, I highly recommend that you paint these type of paintings, that is a single apple or a single grape or a clock and so on. I said you don't go for paper sizes that is higher than 8 inches. It should be either 5 into 5 or 6 into 6, within the range of 8 inches, because it's supposed to be a sketch, and painting a smaller size will give you more room to explore a lot of different aspects in painting, and it will also save you a lot of time and paint. Well, for the final step, I place some darker values. These will bring all of the tones together and make them work as one unit. Okay, and placing final highlights. This should make apple pop out from the background. Okay, for the foreground area, I'm using a light gray. This should amplify the overall look of the composition, and along with this, some random looking brushwork here and there, just to add some patterns here and there, so it will build up some textural quality. And the apple, that is the main part, it will look even more better. Well friends, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that this video has been of some use to you in your art learning process. Give me some suggestions on what I should be painting next. I will be seeing you all in my next video. Until then, take care.